Next disease, a commonly found, that is ringworm. In scientific term, it is said as called as dermatophytosis. It is a fungal infection of skin. It is caused by many fungal species belonging to the genera Trichophyton and Microsporum. Common fungal spores which are spread or which are found spread in air when reaches to our body on the skin. If our skin is moist, that spores germinate and infection starts. These fungi feed on keratin in skin, hair and nails. Keratin is one of the kind of protein pigment which gives color to the hair, that is black, which is also present in the nails and in less amount in skin. Signs and symptoms of ringworm. Infected skin shows enlarged red ring caused due to ringworm. A kind of dotted ring is formed on the infected site of the skin. This is the main symptom where it just literally little bit swole. That's why it is shows a kind of little bit swelling. Appearance of dry scaly lesions of various parts of the body. So these lesions found on the different parts of the body. Red patches because of the itching, which are the responsible for the itching. That red patches are found on the skin everywhere on the body or any part of the skin anywhere in the body. Infection to nails, which is termed as onychomycosis, a fungus which grows on the nails. That condition where because of the infection nails become thick, discolored, that means it loses its color because of the disintegration or degeneration of the nail, and disfigured, that means it becomes an amorphous and suddenly it can be break. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that we can generally found find on the what we can say ladies, those who are doing work as a maid. So they are working in the water for long period. Fungal infection is actually occurred between the toes, that is termed as athlete's foot. That is one of the sign and symptom. Mode of transmission, a ringworm spreads by sharing of clothes, sharing of comb for of infected person. Also the close contact with the infected person is another mode of infection, like shaking hand, like hugging. Diagnosis and treatment. Drugs which are generally used as antifungal are used for this treatment. So diagnosis is by physical examination and treatment. Physical examination is needed to find out the stage of the infection. So nystatin, fluconazole, intraconazole, etc. drugs can be used for the treatment of this disease. Prevention and control. Avoid close contact. So we have to avoid close contact with any person sharing clothes, even the sports equipment, that means the shoes, socks, or even the pads. Washing clothes in hot water with the fungicidal soap help to destroy the fungal pathogen. So soap must be fungicidal. In market these are available. Here in the picture it is shown how the ringworm form on the skin. And here the microscopic ringworm is shown, which grows below the skin or under the skin. Next disease and last disease for today's lecture, that is dengue. Dengue's fever, which is a main symptom of dengue, which is painful, debilitating, that means totally weakening of the body, takes place in the dengue. Like person feels there is no energy, not at all energy in the body, which is vector borne disease. So for the mode of transmission, for the transmission, it needs mosquito as a vector, which is caused by any one of 4 closely dengue viruses. So the virus for dengue is actually transmitted from one person to the another with the help of vector mosquito, and the name of that mosquito is Aedes mosquito female. Dengue virus transmitted through the bite of female Aedes mosquito. The mosquito takes up the dengue virus when it sucks blood of a person suffering from dengue and reaches to the another person, but it cannot spread directly from one person to the another person. Vector is needed. There is no specific drugs treatment is available for dengue, and that's why the important treatment is just prevention only. So preventive measures, as we have studied in the malaria, so same to avoid the to clean the mosquito breeding places, remove stagnant water, use mosquito repellents and nets. You have to complete the assignment, have to just click on the link which is shared with you in the Google form. You have to submit your assignment. Thank you.